Hi and welcome back everyone. So before we begin Python, I wanted to start with Python, but I thought why not make a video first to show some people how to install Python. Just open your favorite web browser and write Python, download. Want to make it for Windows or any operating system, doesn't your wish. Just write download, and the first link is download Python. You can see it's from Python dot website only, so click on that link, and as it opens up, here it is, download the latest version for Windows. If you want for any other operating system, you can click here like Linux or Mac. So mine is Windows, so just click on this and, start executing. Since I've already downloaded and installed the setup, so it's starting again, and that's why there's a one over here, but it doesn't matter. So let's wait for it to complete. So once it complete, just click on it and run your file. Since I have already installed, so that's why I'm showing this option. You won't getting this option, you'll just be asked where you want to install. Just select the recommended settings and click next. Probably wait for 2 to 3 minutes. The setup will get automatically installed, and then you are good to go. Now let's cancel it. uh, Thank you. So once we have installed Python, you will get many options like Python shell, Python command prompt. What you need to open up is Python shell. So once you have opened up this Python shell, you can type anything over here, like if you want to print or rather than print just like 2, it will print 2 as it is. If you want to simply do addition of two numbers, 2 plus 3, it will get us 5, and so on. For printing, you can just write print and then mention the text you want to print, but you need to write that in, this is like, let's write hello, and let's click enter, and hello, it's done.